Hey guys, Miss Lily here. I hope you had a great Labor Day and enjoyed the short work week this week, hopefully. You took advantage of that and either got some rest, or if you were behind, you took advantage of the extra time and got caught up on a few things. So I do want to talk about next week's module a little bit. So next week you will go back to two due dates again. That's been working very well. I know not everybody likes it, but it does help you guys stay on track and it allows me to give you feedback quicker. So if you have questions early in the week, I can help sort those things out before Friday night. So, anyways, two due dates starting back next week. That will be all the time except for like a short week where we had Labor Day and in service. I didn't want to do that this week. But next week is a 4-day week. So if you look in the module overview, you'll see that next Friday is the Bristol race. And that's when NASCAR comes to town. And it's basically like a holiday here in Bristol. So if you don't live in Bristol, you may not understand that, but just think, oh, well, since our district is off, that means we don't schedule work on that day either. So no teachers will be available next Friday. So I will not have office hours next Friday as we will be having a NASCAR holiday, so to speak. All right, so next week you will have everything will be locked and you have to complete it in order. I have students that are trying to do things not in order and they're not doing as well. Math is sequential, so like concepts build on other concepts. And so it's very important that you work through the modules in order. So I don't like locking these like this, but I'm going to do it at least for a week or two and see what happens to kind of force people to go to the module and work in order. Okay. At the end of the module next week, you're going to see that there is an opportunity that I'm giving you to earn points back for your Unit 1 test. This is optional, which means you get to choose whether you do it or not. If you made a good grade on your Unit 1 test, you may choose not to do this. But if you weren't happy with your Unit 1 test, this is a way to earn back a few points on that. So pretty much everything in my classes you are allowed to retake except discussions and unit test. Discussions, you can't continue a discussion when everybody leaves the room. So at the end of the week, the discussion's closed because nobody else is going to be going to the discussion anymore to see your post. So that's why discussions close after the due date. And test, it's just very difficult being on these programs that the school provides for us and the test that they give us to have multiple opportunities on the test. But I do want to take advantage of the test and looking at the standards that students struggled on the most. This FMQ means frequently missed questions. So the standards where students missed a lot of questions, I went through and I talk about that. Okay, so if you do this optional assignment, then there's going to be a video here to watch, and then you'll click over and there will be another assignment. So it looks different here on my side than it would on yours. But again, everything here, these two things are optional, but this is a way you can earn back points on your unit test. So this will be counted as ungraded. So that way, if you choose not to do it, it does not affect your grade. But at the end of the week, I will take everyone that chose to do the opportunity. If you get the correct answers on these, then I will add points back to your Unit 1 test. Okay, so I think that's a very fair way to give you an opportunity to learn the material and go back and earn credit for some of those standards that maybe that you missed. So anyways, I hope you have a great weekend. And if you have any questions, please let me know.